What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. First off, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you can join the team and never miss a video. So, as you can tell in this video, I am inside the Jeep. Puppy! A puppy. Yep, there is a puppy. Anyways, this is a 2007 Jeep Compass, and the blower motor is only working on high, which I will show you as soon as I find my key. So, high, nothing. So, either it could be two things. It could either be this switch, the terminals inside are getting a good connection, or it could be the resistor for the blower motor. So I went ahead and picked one up from Rock Auto, which is a ultra power. If you flip it to the side, it'll show the part number. And yes, it's made in China. So this is what it is. It has a plug and 2 bolts. And it should be under that dash right next to the blower motor. So that's what we're going to replace today. So here we go. Alright guys, so under the dash here it has like a little felt panel. It has these 2 plastic snaps. So I got to remove these first. There's one. Of course it never does. Alright. So now that I got that out, guys, if you look, this is the blower motor, and then you follow the wire to the back here, this ductwork back here. That is the resistor. There's 2 screws and a connector. They're Phillips screws. Definitely rusted. Alright guys, so we definitely found the problem. This is the one out of it. It's definitely corroded, rusted. But yeah, definitely why it ain't working, because it's supposed to look like that. And I had to break it to get it, the harness unclipped. If you look, all the terminals are rusted, which that means on this harness down here,
it smells.
They're all rusted, so I gotta clean them up, we'll scrape them or something with a little wire brush or something, and then put some grease on them. And it being this bad makes you wonder how moisture got in there. I mean, was the heater core leaking, or Did it just draw moisture somehow? We'll have to look into that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the harness cleaned up and then we'll put the new one in. Alright guys, so now
can't see.
Now it's plugged in. And now we fit her back up in there.
Try it first.
And then just 2 screws. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a test run before I put the bottom panel back on. So, here we go. Turn the switch on.
Sorry.
Alright. Round 2. I hear air blowing.
That smells weird. I don't feel it.
There's air. I hear the fan running. There's 2.
There's nothing coming out though.
3.
It's because you don't have
That's because it's on.
There.
Definitely working. High,
Much work before.
medium. Barely can hear it on the low settings, but it's working. So there we go, guys.
That's heat.
Yeah, what's going to work for either one is the blower motor.
Yay. Now I won't sweat to death. Or freeze in Ohio.
Yeah, one day it's snowing, next day it's hot. So guys, now I just got to slap that little panel on it, which is 2 snaps. And that's how you change the blower motor resistor on a 2007 Jeep Compass or Patriot. Possibly Dodge Caliber. And if there's any other vehicles that fall in that category, please drop a comment down below so I can put those all in the same category, same group.
Jeep Compass from 2007 to
2017. Yeah, up to a 17. So, if you liked the video, smash that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!